Stop hiccups instantly with a simple kitchen secret: a teaspoon of sugar. This sweet remedy may sound too good to be true, but it has science on its side. When you swallow sugar, it stimulates the vagus nerve, interrupting the spasm cycle in your diaphragm that's causing those pesky hiccups. The grainy texture of sugar stimulates the throat muscles, providing a sensory overload that can distract your nervous system long enough for the hiccups to vanish. Imagine having the power to stop an annoying hiccup fit with just a spoonful of sugar, no fancy tricks or medicines required. Next time you find yourself caught mid-hiccup, skip the water and head straight for the sugar jar. This kitchen staple might just be your new go-to lifesaver, offering a sweet and effective solution that's been hiding in plain sight all along.